visible icon. Okay, it should be okay now. And then I'm going to place this the same place as this punch button, and then when I select punch, my character is punch, except for the setting. My character number 2 is too bouncy. Okay, the move speed is 50, bounce is 0, ability jump force is 50, and then always jump from ground. Uncheck this, check and check and check. Friction, I like it to be 100, and then save your project. Okay, this is only supermodel style. When I press the punch button, my character now have the ability to punch. Okay, the punch is not working so good. The only way for you to change it is by go to your character number 2, and then component, you activate the punch by activate on release. This is the only way for you to see the punches work correctly. When you release, then you can see the punches. See? Alright, but it has to be a timeout, maybe 0.2. Okay, when I press punch, it punch. Now I'm going to change the shoot, so it's basically the same thing, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, now that we already have the punch ability, let's copy this punch and then rename it to shoot or gun. And then I'm not going to copy this because I have this black gray in color. I'm just going to copy this one and then turn this to gray color which is this one. Alright, but this one still have to be stick here, except for here you need to add another one, which is unlock character number 3. Okay, we haven't got character number 3 yet, but we already have world number 3, which is the gun. When you press the gun button, it will take you to the gun world and then also the gun UI. Now let's bring in one more character, which is the gun. When you press it, it will equip the gun. That is why I have this. When he equip the gun, it's going to be this. This is going to be the idle equip. Don't forget to rename this character number 3. And also the size, and also the collision shape. Here and here. Right, and then the jump and so on. Under character 3, jump, jump, resize, and then walk. Excuse me. Move animation, resize, 0.5, and then yes, there's no need for us to add component for the shoot because the character is already in the shooting position. Okay, that's the good thing about the excuse me, about the character. But did I change the size? Oh yes. Okay, but we need to change the setting because the default setting is bouncy 50 0 50 jump from ground, check and check. And now that we have character number 3, let's unlock character number 3, and then let's link this gun to gun. Alright, but this UI here we need to add a shoot button. Alright, shoot button. Okay, let's preview the game. Before we preview, let's save first. This is because I forgot to put the icon for character number 3. Okay, let's select character number 3 and add component, add character icon, and just go to the library. If I got NV image, no we don't. Okay, just simply click and drag the NV image, and then when we do the preview it should be blank and shoot. Okay. It's not going to jump back because we are now in the world punch, and as you can see we haven't linked it to the gun. This is the button that I clicked just now, but it's not going to the gun. For you to go to the gun you need to manually link. Okay, and then the gun, when you create punch it will go to the punch. Yes, correct. Okay, what do we need to do now is the bullet. We need it to shoot something. Go to the UI, copy this, shoot. Okay, shoot. You can use the existing shoot, or you can use action button. Okay, for the now I only using shoot, the existing shoot function. I'm going to label this shoot, and then under the character it will shoot, but I do not have any bullet, so let's quickly, or maybe just use any available image for the shoot ability. Shooting animation bullet, I'm going to use okay, let's just create one bullet, or maybe I'm going to use this. This is the bullet. Okay, let's do the preview. Let's see the bullet position. Shoot from there. We need to move here to here and then slightly change the size. The bullet is too big, maybe to 0.1. 0.1 should be somewhere here. On preview, equip, shoot, too low, maybe here. Equip and shoot, few more, somewhere here. Equip and shoot. Down, back, equip and shoot. Okay, now we can punch, we can shoot, we can't shoot. When we punch, we can shoot. That's because we did not have this unlock button. Okay, you need to bring it here. Alright, from here you need to change the character to gun, and don't forget to like we already have it here. Save. Okay, default. You can punch, you can shoot, then you can punch again, and then you can shoot again. Alright, now let's bring in the last character, which is the character which throws the bomb, character number 4. Okay, basically when you learn how to change the first character, you basically know how to change the second and the third one, but I'm going to complete the tutorial anyway. Let's bring in the bomb. So this one going to be bomb, B-O-M-B, bomb, and copy this bomb UI, B-O-M-B UI. Make sure you have both of it linked. This one's supposed to be bomb, change it to gray color first. Alright, so when you press bomb, it goes to the bomb. When you press bomb here, it goes to the bomb. When you press bomb here, it goes to the bomb, except for you forget to put the unlock hero character here. Okay, don't forget to bring it, copy it to all of the available button on each UI. Okay, bomb, gun, punch, bomb. Alright, save. Okay, let's bring in the fourth and final character, walk empty-handed, default. Rename this character number 4 underscore 04. Don't forget to resize this, change the collision shape. And then don't forget to change the setting, because it's going to be very bouncy. 50, 0, 50, jump from ground, reflection 100, uncheck, check, and save. Okay, and then same thing, jump and move animation. Point 5, point 5, move animation, select all, and point 5, point 5, point 5, and let's see,